Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore how to track the phone number location using Python. This is our Python code for tracking the location of a phone number. Now we execute our Python script. Here we track the time zone, carrier, and geocoder. Here we have randomly selected fake phone numbers from 5 different countries for our Python script. Track the location of each phone number one by one. We have successfully gathered detailed information for 5 phone numbers. Thank you for watching.